So one of the things that you have to do is drop the crown area, and you need this tool for it. Okay, it's come with the kits. I don't use a hammer, I'm just going to use this metal brush. The back of it is pretty lightweight and less damage. And what you want to do is go over the high area and just tap it back slowly down. Very annoying noise. And there's different heads that you can use. I'm using the big one right now because I have a lot of crown to push here. Now, what you need to find is like the area here. If you close your eyes and touch it, you will feel where there is a little bit kind of a hop heel. And the hop heel over there, you just want to grab it and just tap it back down. And then when you do that, it will help to pull the center back up. Okay, this looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna pull this. I think another like 4 or 5 pulls, and this will be as far out as it could go. But right now it's significantly better than before. This ready like kind of like to get Bondo inside of it, and you know, after I sand it down of course and prime, but this is still very deep. If you put Bondo on this, it's gonna crack on you. So we're going again. What we did earlier. Wow, it's windy outside like crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind. It's probably like 50 or 60 miles an hour wind outside right now behind the door. Wow, it's hot. My finger just dipped into it and it's boiling hot. Okay, this is one, and I'm gonna put another small one just for the heck of it. I don't think the small one doing anything anymore. I think the metal here in certain area is like kind of got to the point that like you need to push it from the inside. It's not gonna pull out anymore. The problem is that this gas tank, the hole is so small that it's like literally just feed the nozzle to fill up the fuel, and that's it. So I cannot really do anything for it. Okay, we're just gonna let it dry, and then we can start pulling it. And again, I'm gonna come back in a second and show you like how it's done. It just needs a couple minutes to dry.